Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Huawei P60 Pro and you need to do a hard reset on it and the screen is locked and you don't have the pin code. We can actually bypass that pin code and delete it completely off the phone. Now this is also going to delete everything else off the phone, but if you're ready to do that, it's pretty simple to do. All you need to do is just turn your phone off first of all, and then you're going to press and hold the power button and the volume up button as shown here until the Huawei logo appears on the screen. Then you can let go of the power button, keep pushing the volume up button for a few more seconds, and it will load up into the recovery mode. And then from the recovery mode, it's going to give us some options to restart, to clear data, or to update it. We're going to use the volume button to scroll down to the clear data option, hit the power button to select it. Then we're going to scroll up to factory reset. Again, hit the power button to select that. And then it's going to ask us to confirm it by typing the word yes into the screen. So we'll type in the word yes, and then we'll scroll up to factory reset. And once we do that, when we type in yes, then it will go through its restart and the phone will turn back on like it was when it came out of the box.